Here we go. 45 feet. Straight shot. We're going straight up. Here we have 2-story home. Really, it feels like 3 once you get to the top because it's 25 to 30 feet tall. That roof line up there. And we also have leaf guard to install once we get this up. But we're just taking it one step at a time. And we'll get it done. We did pull the drip prior to this. The drip edge is what I'm referring to when I say drip. We did pull that back so that we can hang the gutter behind the drip edge so we don't have any leaks. And we did that for the whole entire house. This was a full install. Here I have my outlet punching tool. Punches my holes. This helps me punch my holes everywhere I'm gonna have a downspout. Gives it a clean, straight cut. Clean cut every time. You'll see it here in the video. Or maybe not. But it fits that outlet so perfectly every time.
So put in the leaf guard. Got them up here.
And here we're installing.
Getting down at the quarter, put in the miters.
There's me up there installing sealant on that miter, making sure we don't have no leaks.